Last time we talked about duplicating and merging layers. So I'm going to duplicate this layer again because I want to show you how to use layer modes. The layer modes are found right here. At this point, the default is normal. So if you click on it, it shows you the different blending modes. And basically this changes the way that the layer uh, affects the layers below it. Right now it's just covering up the layer below it. But if we change it to darken mode, it's going to make everything below it darker. But now you can see that you can kind of see through it. We could change it to color burn, which is going to make colors that are, it's the colors on the layer that are dark, it's going to darken the colors below it. Now you'll notice that it doesn't do anything to the background because the background is white, and you can't really in these layer blending modes you can't darken something that's white because it has no color information. There are a lot of different blending modes, and the best way to figure out what they all do is to just experiment with them. But I'll show you an example of how I've used blending modes before. I'm going to make this layer invisible right here, and I'm going to select the background layer, create a new layer on top of it. I'm going to create a gray to dark gray background. I'm going to create a gradient of it. And then I'm going to make a shape. I'm just going to make a circle. I'm going to create a new layer. And I'm going to make this circle red. Now, this red circle is in normal mode, but maybe I want it to be slightly see-through, and I just want it to apply some of that red to the background, but I want you to be able to see through it. So maybe I'll come down here and just do color. You can see that up here, where the gray is lighter, the red is also lighter, and down here where the gray is darker, the red is also darker. There are a lot of other modes that I could use. I could use a screen mode, an overlay mode, and let's look at some of the things that we can do with the background with this shape right here as well. So this down here is in overlay mode. Let's put the green shapes in overlay mode. They do something pretty similar. Let's actually, now that we've got this in overlay mode, it's on top of the red circle. Let's move it down on top of the red circle. You can also put it in screen mode. And you can see that the screen is actually creating different colors. When you mix the green with the red, you're getting a yellow color, and you mix the teal with the red, you're getting kind of a light magenta-ish color. So the color modes can be used to help you blend layers together. So let's open up the picture of the baby again. Right up here, maybe we want to add some kind of a badge. I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to use the red again. Tell it to overlay. So we're kind of creating a see-through badge right here, maybe that we can drop some text into. Change the text color to white. And we can say something about this picture. I don't remember what the 7-Up slogan is. We'll just type in try 7-Up. Okay. And this exclamation mark is kind of blending in with the crack between those boards. So maybe an overlay mode isn't the best here. Maybe we need it to be more of a solid background. Okay, so that's how we can adjust layer modes, make some changes like that.